Hello all friends, welcome to my channel Handmade. And this video I gonna show you how to decrease for half double crochet 2 together or 3 together and double crochet 2 together and double crochet 3 together. Okay, and for the first I will show how to decrease 2 half double crochet together. This the half double crochet here. When we make half double crochet as normal, we just yarn over, insert the hook into the stick, yarn over again, and you will get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull 2 3 loops, you will get 1. This we call half double crochet. And now we decrease it 2 half double crochet together. How we do? So as normal, when we do half double crochet, just yarn over, insert the hook into the stick and yarn over, pull through the stick, you will get 3 loops on the hook. For half double crochet set, we will yarn over again and pull through 3 loops to get 1 loop on the hook. But for decrease it 2 half double crochet together, we don't yarn over again. Instead of yarn over to pull through 3 loops, we yarn over again and insert the hook into the next stick. So yarn over again here. So we will get 1 2 3 4 and 5 loop on the hook. And then yarn over again, pull through 5 loops here that we call 2 half double crochet together. Okay, I will show you again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stick and yarn over again, you will get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stick that you want to decrease and yarn over, pull through the stick. Here you get 5 loops on the hook, and then yarn over again, pull through 5 loops, you will get 1 loop on the hook. Here that we call 2 half double crochet together. Here for next I will sew 3 half double crochet together. We decrease 3 into 1 half double crochet. So the same as the 2 half double crochet together, we will yarn over, insert the hook into the stick that we want to decrease, yarn over again, and you will get 3 loops on the hook. Leave it and yarn over again. Insert the hook into the next stick that you want to decrease, yarn over, and you will get 5 loops on the hook. And yarn over again, insert the hook into the stick that you want to decrease, yarn over. Here. So if you want to decrease 2 times, please insert the hook into 2 times. If you want to decrease 3, you will insert 3 times too. And if you want to decrease 4, you will insert 4 too. So it's up to you. But normally we decrease only 2. But I just show how we do it. When I want to make 3 half double crochet to be 1, so I will get 7 loops on the hook. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And now yarn over again, pull through 7 loops, and I will get 1 here. Chain 1. It look like this. Next, I will show you how to make 2 double crochet together. Normally, when we want to make double crochet, we do by yarn over, insert the hook into the stick, yarn over again, you will get 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, you will get 2 loops on the hook, and grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops again, you will get 1. This is we call double crochet. But now we will do 2 double crochet together. We will decrease 2 into 1. So for decrease it, we do as the normal half double crochet. We do yarn over, insert the hook into the stick that we want to decrease, yarn over again, and we will get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, you will get 2 on the hook. We don't finish the set for making double crochet yet. Instead of yarn over again, pull through 2 loops to get 1, we will yarn over again and insert the hook into the next stick that we want to decrease, yarn over and yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops and you will get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 3 loops, you will get 1. Here we call 2 double crochet together. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the stick that we want to decrease, yarn over again, and we will get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, you will get 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the stick that we want to decrease and yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, you will get 3 on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 3 loops, you will get 1 on the hook. 2 double crochet together. Now I will do for 3 double crochet together. I mean we will make 3 double crochet into 1. So yarn over, insert the hook into the stick that we want to decrease, yarn over again, you will get 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stick, yarn over again, and yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, you will get 3. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stick that you want to decrease, yarn over again, yarn over through first 2 loops, and you will get 4 on the hook. So yarn over again, pull through 4 loops, you will get 1. Here is 3 double crochet together. Here is a double crochet, 2 double crochet together, 2 double crochet together, and here is 3 double crochet together. It's end for this video. Hope all you guys enjoy watching and see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new video from me. Goodbye, wish you good luck.